Okay, now quicksand does actually exist. It's not quite like it is
In the movies.
In the movies.
Yeah.
Now, what this lady experienced near Boston was kind of the same thing, only it wasn't sand, it was mud.
Yeah, so she was walking her son's dog near a place called Constitution Beach in East Boston. Thought she'd take a little shortcut through what looked like gravel. Turned out to be mud, but not just any mud. She ended up in more than knee-deep mud and became super stuck. So witnesses heard her calling for help, called in firefighters to the scene. They had to get the dog and her out. The dog, fortunately, light enough, didn't sink,
Right.
but she did. But the good news, the dog did stay with her the whole time and was safe, but they did get her out of there. But yeah, it was super thick, goopy,
Yeah.
like almost concrete-y type mud. So now think about that. You're weighed down in there. You cannot pull your feet up out of it because it's almost like a thick suction cup. Exactly.
Imagine you wonder, gosh, let me look under the hood. Something isn't right. And you open the hood of your car and you find a 5-foot python snake hanging out in the engine.
Things that I'm glad don't happen where we live in southeastern Ontario and northern New York. In India, 5-foot python resting on his car engine. Guy couldn't figure out why his car wouldn't start. So he opened the hood and there was the snake. So he and a friend actually wrangled it, removed it from his car, and then released it back into the wild. Now, I know you. If you
I'm not
found a
touching a
snake
5-foot
under your
snake.
hood, you know what you're going to do? You're going to slam that hood and you're going to run and you're going to call me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I don't know what to do. Who do I even call?
Me.
So if you ever find on the hood of your car a large snake,
Call me.
call her.
I'm not afraid.